You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French name, famous for being the name of a geologist, I believe, pronounced in French as Chancourtois. If you want to learn his full name, I've got a video for you coming up. In English, if you're going to pronounce French properly, you can say it as Chancourtois. Chancourtois, okay? Chancourtois, or in French, Chancourtois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.